In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create catalog in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each choice means, and how to confirm your new catalog is ready to go. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. In the results, choose the official Meta link so you're taken to the correct dashboard. If you're prompted to sign in, log in with your Facebook or Instagram account that has access to your business. If you manage multiple businesses, make sure the correct business is selected at the top of the interface before moving on. Once you're in, head to Settings. From there, select Business Settings. This area is where you manage assets and permissions, so it's normal if you see a lot of options. In the left-hand navigation, find Data Sources. Under Data Sources, click Catalogs. This is the home for all product catalogs connected to your business. Next, click Add and then choose. Create a new catalog. You'll be asked to choose a catalog type, give your catalog a name, and decide whether you'd like to connect it to a partner platform. Pick the category that best matches what you sell, such as e-commerce products or services, so Meta can apply the right structure. Use a clear, memorable name that your team will recognize later. If your store runs on a supported partner platform, connecting it now can streamline product syncing. If not, simply continue without a partner. You'll then see an option to connect event tracking or skip. Event tracking links customer actions, like views and purchases, to your catalog for better reporting and optimization. If you already use a pixel or server-side tracking and you're ready to map events, connect it now. If you're not set up yet, choose Skip. You can always add this later. Now choose how to upload products to the catalog. You can connect a data feed, which is ideal for larger inventories and automated updates, or manually add products if you have a smaller selection or just want to start with a few items. If you pick a data feed, prepare a clean file with product titles, descriptions, prices, availability, and image URLs. If you go manual, you'll enter those details directly on screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to add your products, review the details, and click Next to proceed. Take a moment to double-check pricing, currency, and image quality. Clear photos and consistent formatting improve approval rates and ad performance. Finally, you'll see an overview that confirms your catalog has been created. Here, you can review the catalog name, type, and the products you added. That confirmation means you're done and ready to use your catalog across Meta's tools.